Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this video. So, I'm Aline. I am dropping by here today because I was just having a cup of coffee right now and talking to some friends about losing weight. Like, I have some friends who are desperately needing to lose weight, and they are sick and tired of going to the gym every day and sick and tired of always paying nutritionists, preparing those meals, and not be able to lose weight. So I did talk to them about the supplement that I will talk to you guys right now, which is Liv Pure. I talked to them about Liv Pure and suggested that they give Liv Pure a shot, which they accepted, and they already placed their order. So now we're just waiting for the Liv Pure to arrive. But guys, that's why I'm here today, because you see, there are so many other people out there besides my friends who are desperately wanting to lose weight, and they haven't got a clue that there is natural remedies, natural supplements out there that can really help them to lose a lot of weight without even having to struggle, without even having to spend all the time that monthly fee and leaving your home on rainy days, on cold days, and working out and not lose anything, right? So Liv Pure is here to really help you out. And I want you guys to stay right there and watch this video until the last minute, because there is a lot I want to share with you guys about Liv Pure, okay? Meaning that in this note, I will be leaving Liv Pure's official website in the description box just here below this video, okay? That's the official website, and that is the only place that the manufacturer is selling it, just to keep everything much more original, much more safe and secure. So that's where you have to be going, okay? Let's talk about Liv Pure, because lots of people might be asking themselves now, what is Liv Pure? What does this do? How will it help me? It's cool. I'll help you guys out right now. First of all, Liv Pure, it is a natural supplement that is created based on years of studies and tests by doctors and scientists. So they have discovered that, you know, if your liver does not function properly, it makes it so hard for your body's metabolism to function properly, and it makes it even more harder for you to lose weight. So Liv Pure contains a pretty cool blend of natural ingredients that will basically detoxify your liver, boost your liver, and that will help you to boost your metabolism, and you're going to lose a lot of weight. So if you are overweight, it could be because your metabolism is very, very slow, meaning if you're eating like a burger right now, all the calories that are in your body are still waiting to be burned off, and you're eating more calories, meaning your metabolism doesn't even have the time to burn what you're eating, and it still has the other fats in your body. So you're just storing fats, you know? But if your metabolism is fast, it's already targeting all the localized fats in your body and making them loose, so they let go of your body and are completely, you know, let go. And what you're eating as well can already be turned into, melted down and turned into energy. So that's what Liv Pure will do. Besides detoxifying your body as well, getting rid of any impurities, getting rid of any toxins, any inflammation. So your metabolism will be functioning properly, and you will be losing a lot of weight, guys. That's why it is very potent and it is very efficient. Lots of people right now are using Liv Pure as we speak, because this is a supplement that once it hit the market, people started using it, and they did realize that it really does deliver what it promises. So, I mean, its full treatment is only 5 or 6 months. Compare that to all these years you have been overweight. It doesn't even compare, right? And it's amazing how fast it will deliver results. And guys, Liv Pure will take care of your immune system as well. It will take care of your digestive system, and you're going to have a lot of energy and a lot of disposition as well. So give Liv Pure a shot, okay? You are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee if you need a refund. But here's the deal. Once you receive your Liv Pure, you can start using it right away. Just don't expect to get results like overnight with it, because that's clearly not how Liv Pure works. Your body needs to adapt to it, and once your body is adapted, it will understand that it needs to start delivering. And then you're going to start to get all these benefits, all these awesome results. And if you are scared about purchasing Liv Pure, Don't worry, guys. It is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility right here in the States. So you are getting the best of all qualities, the best of all standards. And this is already something that everyone is taking, and it has no side effects and no contradictions. So if you want to get to know all the ingredients that go into creating Liv Pure, you can read it on their official website. If you want to read more about the story behind it before you purchase it, official website as well. But just give it a shot, okay? Like, I know you're gonna lose weight, my friends are gonna lose weight, and everybody will be happy and healthy, okay? Thanks for watching this video, y'all. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.